Often when we are given a quadratic and the right hand side is in standard form such as this one, we want to break it into its factors so that we can figure out what the roots are. Now, this, I'm sure you are all relatively familiar with the whole idea that you need to find two numbers that have a product of negative 12 and a sum of 1, and that is great. But I'm going to just use this as an example of factoring it using the box. Now, what we have is basically everything that goes inside of the box is up there. The problem is we're not sure how much of this 1 goes into this box and this box. However, we know for sure there's an x squared goes up there and there's a negative 12 goes down here. We just have to figure out what goes at the top of each column and beside each row. Now I know that for x squared there's an x there and there's an x there. For this negative 12, it's not that simple. It could be a few things. However, I am going to try a 4, positive 4, and I need a negative. I'm going to try a negative 3. So there's a little bit of guessing goes on here. So in this part of the box goes a 4x, and in this part of the box goes a negative 3x. And I can see if I were to expand this, that this would be x squared plus 1x minus 12. And so using the box method, now I've probably cheated a little bit, you know, but using the box method you can factor this way, and it's actually easier than doing decomposition in a lot of cases.